Hi everybody, this is Mirav, and today I'm going to talk to you about the certificate feature of Guru. We're going to start with the backend. If you go under Settings, Certificates, you can see that you have a tab called Design, and this is where you can choose which design template you want to use. If you don't like any of the templates that we provide you, you can upload your own template. You can also take any of the templates that we provide you, download it with FTP, add your logo to it, and then upload it again, and you will see that your logo is there right on the certificate. So that's what I recommend that you do. So if you choose a template here on top, you can see that it changes here at the bottom, and this is the selected template. Okay. If you want to upload a new file, make sure that it's size 800 by 600 pixels. Click on the choose file, upload it, and it will be added here to the collection of the designs available. You can also choose to not have any design and just choose a background color. So you can choose it here. It will show you different colors that you can choose from. You can also choose the text color here, and you can choose the font of the certificate text, and you can choose any of the fonts here. When you're done, don't forget to click Save. Now let's move on to the templates. The templates refer to different pages or emails that are related to the certificate program. The first template that we have here is the certificate itself. And let me show you how it looks like on the front end. On the front end, you have a new page called My Certificates. And here you can see that some of the courses, all the courses will be listed here. All the courses that the student has enrolled in are going to be listed here. Some courses he is eligible for a certificate, and you can see the different icons, different things that they can do. And some he or she is not eligible, and you can see exactly why. It will tell you here, if you hover over the word why, it will tell you why this student is not eligible. So let's say that he or she is eligible, so let's click on the eye icon, and you can see the certificate here. You can see that this is the design that we chose, and this is the text and the variables as they appear here. So if you don't want to have, for example, the certificate ID, you can just delete this. Okay, if you don't want to have, for example, the completion date or anything you want, you can change here. You can add anything that you want. It's just another template that you can do whatever you want with it, and you can also add any of the variables on top. Just make sure you choose the variable itself, which is the ones that have, the brackets with the capital letters. Make sure you don't remove any brackets. You don't remove the underscore or anything like that, and you can use that and place it here inside the template. Now there's another page, the certificate page. The certificate page, if they go and on My Certificate, they click on the link icon, they will see a URL here that they can copy, and if they want to send people directly to that certificate page, they will send them that URL, and then this is the certificate page. Certificate page is how it looks like. So once again, you can have any of the variables that you have on top, you can have them inside the certificate page. Now we already have some of the content here by default, so just you can use that, or you can make any changes. Now the last two templates that we have are email templates. The first one is the email that they get when the students get when they eligible for a certificate. For example, if they just finished the course and they passed the final exam or whatever the term was, they will get this email, and here you can put any of the information, any of the variables that you have on top. The last email certificate that we have is the email that people get. Let me show you how it looks like on the front end. When the student clicks on the email envelope here, they can send the certificate to somebody else. So they will enter the email address of the person they're sending it to, they enter a personal message, and the template of the content is going to be right here. The cert message is the message that they entered here in the message box right here. So all the content will be shown in this variable. And the rest you can see there's certificate URL and pretty much whatever you want you can put here. But this is the email they will get, the person will get, the other person will get when they use that feature. Now let's take a look how it looks like as far as the terms of the certificate. If you open any of the courses, you click on edit, you will see that under general you have a new field here called certificate term. And as you can see here on this course, the term is no certificate. Certificate is not given for this course, but you have other options, like if they complete all the lessons, they get a certificate. If they pass the final exam, they get a certificate. Or if they pass the quizzes, all the quizzes in the course in average of 60%, or you can put whatever you want here, then that means they pass they get the certificate. And here you have the last two are combination. If they finish all the lessons and pass the final exam, or if they finish all the lessons and pass the quizzes in average of whatever it is that you want. So as soon as the student meets any of those, the term that you choose for this course, that course will have those icons here on the front end, and on the last lesson of that course they will also see a button there when they are done. So this is it for the certificate feature of Guru. Thanks for watching.